Most businesses don't have a lead problem, they have a follow-up problem. There are already leads sitting in your database that could convert, but they are simply not being contacted again. And because of this, valuable opportunities are lost without even being attempted. That's why I'm here, because through this video I will show you how to bring those dead leads back to life using automated WhatsApp follow-ups. This system identifies inactive leads, reaches out to them consistently, and updates their status automatically. Let us first see how this automation will work in real life, then we will build it together. This workflow that I have created inside my Pabbly Connect account gets triggered every day with the help of this schedule by Pabbly at 11 a.m. After that, at first with the help of this Google Sheet, automatically all the details about these clients that are added inside my Google Sheet will get fetched inside my Pabbly Connect account. Then with the help of this iterator will fetch all the details one by one. Then with the help of this filter, we will create a filter so that only those leads are targeted where the status is added as this no reply. After that, to all those leads where no reply is added, we will instantly send a WhatsApp reminder message to reactivate them. This means that this workflow will get triggered every day at 11 a.m. and it will send all the inactive leads a WhatsApp follow-up message directly on the phone number of our customer. Now, first of all, you can see right now this workflow is scheduled at 11 a.m. But to show you the demo, I will actually change this time. So from this watch here, I just have to change the time. Right now, it is 4 p.m. That's why I will select this 4:05. Then I will click this OK button and press this save button. Instantly, you can see my workflow is scheduled successfully at 4:05. Now we just have to wait till this time. Then instantly I will show you inside my WhatsApp account, I will receive a WhatsApp follow-up message. Inside my WhatsApp account, you can see I have successfully received this message. Hey Rahul Verma, just checking in. And you can see this customer is the exact same customer in whose name the status was added as no reply. So you can see we have successfully sent this WhatsApp follow-up message to this customer whose status was added as no reply inside my Google Sheet. And this happened just because of this workflow that I've created inside my Pabbly Connect account. Now, if you also want to set up this kind of lead reactivation system inside your own Pabbly Connect account, then you just have to stay with me for the next 10 minutes. After that, you will be able to create this workflow on your own and reactivate your dead leads for your business so that you can immensely boost your sales. Now, let us start creating our automation. For that, just open this blank page where you can start creating your workflow by integrating multiple applications. But if you are new here and you want to learn how to come up to this blank page, just open a new tab and search for pabbly.com/connect. You will get directed on the landing page of Pabbly Connect. In here, on top right corner, you will get these two options, sign in and sign up free. If you are a new user, click on this sign up free button and create your free account. After that, you can get 100 free tasks every month that Pabbly Connect gives to every new user. With the help of this task, you can easily create some workflows and reactivate some of your dead leads, that too for free. But to make your workflows run seamlessly without even caring about tasks, upgrade to the premium version of Pabbly, where you can purchase our yearly or lifetime subscription plans so that you can get thousands of credits every month and operate your workflows smoothly. Now, the best part here is that we are right now running a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. For that, just use this coupon code visible right in front of you, JAIYT, and you can avail that particular discount. So make sure to use this coupon code while purchasing your own subscription. After creating your account, press this sign in button. You will get directed on the all apps page of Pabbly. From here, to access Pabbly Connect, just click this access now button. After that, you can easily come up to this page where this blank workflow will be visible to you by clicking on the create workflow button. Now in here, we will create our workflow. First of all, to create our workflow, we have to select our trigger application. This trigger is like the event with the help of which we want our workflow to get triggered. To select your trigger application, you have to click on this plus button. And inside the search box, you can select any trigger application. Today, as we want our workflow to get triggered based on a scheduled time, that's why we will use this schedule by Pabbly as our trigger application. For this application event, select this schedule workflow, press this connect button. After that, for this how often you want to run your workflow, as we want our workflow to get triggered every day, that's why we have to select this every day from here. Then inside this time box, we have to change the time as per our requirement. Right now, I will set it again back to this 11 a.m. but if you want, you can change change this time as per your preference. After that, just click this save button. Your workflow will get scheduled successfully for the time that you will select. Now, as our trigger is all set, now we have to work on our action application. For my first action application, as I want to fetch all the rows that are added inside my Google Sheet, so as I can create a filter and check which of my leads have not replied to my text. So that's why in here I will click on this plus button and select this Google Sheet as my action application. For the application event, as we want to get rows, that's why I search for this and you can select this. Press this connect button to create your connection. You will receive these two options: add new connection, select existing connection. To create a new connection, click on this add new connection, press this sign in with Google button. But if you have already established a connection, you can go with that by clicking on this select existing connection. To create a new connection, press this button on the left side. Pabbly Connect will detect your account. You have to select your account from here. Then just scroll down on the next page, click on this continue button. Your connection will get created successfully. After creating your connection, you have to make sure that you are selecting right spreadsheet and sheet. So inside my Google Sheet, the name of my spreadsheet is worksheet and the sheet is WhatsApp leads. That's why in here I will select my spreadsheet as worksheet. After that, for this sheet, I will select this WhatsApp leads. Now in here, I have to add the range of the rows which I want to get inside my Pabbly Connect account. But as we want to get all rows, that's why in here we have to add this A ratio F. But as I want this row from this row 2, that's why in here inside my Pabbly Connect account, I will add this A2 ratio and then F. Here I have added these details. Now as I want my response in array format, that's why I have to change the format of the response from simple to advanced. After that, we have to click on this save and send test request button. Now you can see instantly I have received my response in an array format where all the response that was added inside my Google Sheet, I have got them in a single response instead of every single response separately. So we have received our response. Now we just have to work on it. Now here inside this Google Sheet, I have used my response as array because I wanted to get all the response added in my Google Sheet as a single response, so that with the help of iterator I can get all the details of my clients one by one. Now we have to click on this plus button, then select this iterator from here. With the help of this iterator, we are going to process this array. Then you can see that this iterator will provide me one by one all the details of my clients added in my Google Sheet. We have to press this connect button. Then for this array, from this drop down of Google Sheet, I will select this response result. Press this save and send test request button. Instantly you can see the detail of the first customer, Rahul Verma, which is also the first customer added in the Google Sheet. We have successfully received their details. Now you can see as the status of this customer is no reply. This means that we have to send this particular customer a WhatsApp follow-up message. So for that, we just have to add our next action application. To send this person a WhatsApp follow-up message, I will just click on this plus button, then I will select this Pabbly chat flow from here. For this application event, to send a text message, we have to select this send text message. Press this connect button. You will again receive these two options: add new connection, select existing connection. This time also, to create a new connection, select this add new connection. Then in here, you have to add a token. This token is a password of your Pabbly chat flow account. To get this, click on this hyperlink. You will get directed on this all apps page of Pabbly. In here, this time you have to click on this access now button to access the dashboard of Pabbly chat flow. But in order to use Pabbly chat flow, at first you have to make sure that you have added your WhatsApp number by clicking on this button. So if you have not, just add your WhatsApp number, then this column will be accessible to you. From this column at the bottom here, this settings is visible. Go on this, select this API and webhook. Inside this page, here is your Pabbly chat flow API token. Just copy this from here and come back to Pabbly Connect, paste this token, press this save button. Your connection will get created successfully. Here you can see my connection is also created. Now we just have to add these details to successfully send a WhatsApp message to our customer. To fill up these details, I will take help of mapping, because by mapping we can make our data dynamic. It means that whenever Pabbly Connect will detect any new data, it will automatically update the old data with the new captured data. But if you will type down these details manually, then these details will remain static and they will not change unless we manually change it. So that means that to allow our data to get changed automatically, we take help of mapping. Now to map data, we just have to press this slash, then from this drop down we can easily select the value which you want to map. As here the recipient's WhatsApp mobile number is required, that's why I will select this mobile number. You can see it is mapped successfully. Next we have to map the name of our customer, so I will again search for it, then I will also select this. After that, we just have to add this WhatsApp message which I want to send to our customer. But before adding this WhatsApp message, let me tell you that if you also want to recover lost opportunities and improve your conversion rate, I highly recommend you start using Pabbly Connect with Chatflow, because the system will help you re-engage leads without any manual effort. So to purchase your subscription, use my coupon code JAIYT so that you can avail a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. So just go and purchase your subscription. Till then, I will add this WhatsApp message which I want to send to my customer. So I have added this WhatsApp message. Now in front of this hey, to make this message more personalized, I will map the name of my customer. So I will just search for the name, then I will simply click over this to select this. You can see we have successfully added the WhatsApp message. Now we just have to scroll down, click on this save and send test request button. I have received my response as message sent. This means that this message is sent successfully to my customer. I will open my WhatsApp account. Here you can see with my name on it, Rahul Verma, I have successfully received this message inside my WhatsApp account. This means that we have successfully completed the creation of our workflow, with the help of which you can send a WhatsApp follow-up messages to your customer. Now we have completed the workflow, but there is one more crucial thing missing inside this workflow, and that is we have not added a filter. Now without this filter, this message will get sent to all of our customer, doesn't matter whatever their status is added. That means that to make our automation work perfectly, we have to add a filter. To add that, we have to click on this plus button, then select this filter by Pabbly from here. For this application event, select this filter values, press this connect button. Then inside this label box, we have to select that particular label on which we want to add a filter. So as we want to add a filter on status of our customer, that's why from this iterator drop down, I will simply select this status. Then for this filter type, we have to select this equal to, because we want our workflow to get triggered only if the status is equal to this text no reply. That's why inside this value box also, I will type down this text manually, no reply. We have to press this save and send test request button. You can see as the status right now is equal to no reply, that's why we have received our response as success. But for the next customer, this particular Neha Singh, the status is added as interested. This means that this is not equal to no reply. This means that to this particular customer, a WhatsApp follow-up message will not get sent. So with this, we have successfully completed the creation of our workflow, with the help of which we can reactivate our dead leads and convert them into our customer. Now I will ask you also to go and create this automation inside your own Pabbly Connect account as soon as possible, so that you don't miss out on leads that are actually sitting inside your Google Sheet. That's it for now. If you want to use my workflow, then you can also copy the link of this workflow from the description box to use it directly from there. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. You can ask your doubts in the comment box. My team members will help you instantly. Just a quick reminder at end, to purchase your subscription, don't forget to use my coupon code JAIYT to avail a huge discount on our yearly and lifetime subscription plans. And just for you, I have also added this coupon code in the description box, so use it from there. That's it for this video. See you in the next one. Not just these, you can integrate many more applications with the help of Pabbly Connect. Now if you want to purchase your subscription, you can check out the pricing at this particular website. And if you have any doubt, you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you liked this video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your team members. And if you found our content useful, you can also subscribe to the YouTube channel of Pabbly.